We have the topic forestry resources and forestry practices in Central Africa, and in this we have physical regions of Central Africa, and then followed by forest types, then prominent species, and some forest based industries of Central Africa, right? And Central Africa included most of the countries of Africa, and main forest zones as well as physical features are described herein. And the first one is Guyana forest, and this forest borders the Guyana coast from Syria eastward to the plains of Black Volta River into Ivory Coast, right? Grasslands found towards the north, and the forest boundary is extremely wavy in this region, right? Next we have a Nigerian forest area, and this forest is separated from the Guyana forest by a wide plains of the Black Volta River, and this forest gives way to the wooded savanna groups of oil palms and agricultural land. Right, this forest is gradually being converted into cropland nowadays, and this forest zone is further extended up to the delta of river Niger. Right, then we have third forest zone or physical region also, that is equatorial rainforest, and these occurs in the heart of Africa from the Cameroons eastward into the interior of this continent. Right, it receives heavy rainfall around coastal areas that result in diverse vegetation type due to equatorial zone, and these forests are well developed in Congo and Gabon region, right? South of the Cape Lopez in Gabon, and equatorial rainforest seldom extends up to the coast, right? These occurs as a savanna zone between there occurs a savanna zone between coast and equatorial forest in this area, okay? And here are some prominent species of this Central Africa, and these are African mahogany, Khaya ivorensis, then scented guera cedrata, then ebony, Diospyros species, then limbo, Terminalia superba, then Baku, Mimospus heckley, right? And then we have some forest based industries of Central Africa, and the hard and very hard woods are exported mainly to Europe, South Africa, North and South America, right? The Central African forests has great importance in world's wood production trade, and they have valuable timber resources of the world, as the species were mentioned earlier. The remaining Central African forests are comprises of open forest and savanna vegetation, right? And then part of West Coast and Congo Basin are almost covered with rainforest in this region, and there is a great problem of adequate utilization of these forests due to poor technology and transportation facilities, right? As we know, the less or none availability of ports, railways, highways, etc. in this region in the past decades. However, nowadays there may some development of these facilities, and then the things are quite well right now, okay? Here are some more constraints as and some new inventions or modifications related to the forest utilization, and scientific inputs has only introduced recently. Congestion areas are far away from the production areas, and African rainforests are mainly constituted of hard and very hard woods species with very few coniferous species, okay? Central Africa has following two physical regions as South African plateaus and coastal area, right? And coastal area is found along the Atlantic and Indian Ocean coast. Some more forest types of Africa are here, as open savanna forest, then southeastern coastal belt forest, then mountain forest, and lastly northeastern coastal belt forests. Okay, and this is a brief account of forest resources and forestry practices of Central Africa. Thank you.